Say hi. Okay, we're here at Rise Ranch. We're gonna pick some oranges today. Jing, are you gonna pick a lot of oranges?
I love oranges.
Let's see who picks the most. What do you guys?
I will, because I love oranges.
What do you guys want to do with the oranges?
Eat them.
Eat them? What's
Orange popsicles.
orange
That
popsicles?
was yummy.
Dede, what do you want to do, Dede?
Squeeze them into orange juice.
Orange juice. That's a great idea. All right, let's go.
Take it off.
Yep, you gotta pull it off.
I got it.
Oh, my bucket's almost full. Good job, Mara. How's it going?
Good, but this is harder than
It's harder than you expected. You guys ready for a taste trial? Let's see how sweet they are. Okay, ready, set, go.
Oh, wow. Oh, my God.
Dede, is it good, Dede?
Oh, my God.
So good, huh?
That is literally so good.
Is it super sweet?
Yeah. Yes.
Super sweet. Okay, we're gonna turn it into some
Orange juice.
orange juice using that machine right there. All right, let's do our first test. Let's see what it tastes like. Jinga, why don't you go ahead and take that out? Let's see. This stuff looks so sweet. Try a little bit. How is it? Super sweet?
It's so sweet.
Wow, crazy sweet, huh? Maybe, let's see.
I'm scared.
You're scared? Okay, don't be scared. You're scared. Is that good? Wow. Okay, let's try. Let's see what we think. These are oranges from Rise Ranch. Super sweet.
Not gonna lie, they grow pretty good oranges.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm grow oranges too. Oh wow.
Oh wow. Okay.
Excuse me guys.
Oh my God, that's
so
good.
But
So good.
yeah, it takes a long time to go to work. So
Yep, it
I'm
does.
gonna pick two.
Hard to pick too. Yep, you're right. So good. All right, guys, let me give it a shot. Super sweet. All right, guys, say bye. If you haven't had a chance yet, go to Rise Ranch all this weekend. Probably this week too, but you just need to contact them. Oranges are super sweet, super delicious. Thank you, Rise Ranch, for letting us have a picking experience. Was it fun?
Yeah!